Boom. E for 9 TV. B-Fam back once again for my fellow Ethereans across planet Earth. You know how it is. Okay, let's jump right into the market. But before I get into the video, for all you people who haven't taken out your money and transferred that money onto a platform like Celsius or Nexo, what are you waiting for? Do you like earning no interest on your money in your bank? Because if you do, keep your money in there. But if you don't like it, then I suggest you check out Celsius Network and Nexo.io. Links will be in the description of the video. Right, with Celsius, you can earn rewards on your coins, stroke tokens. You can borrow your cash while keeping your assets. So you don't have to sell it. You can borrow on your assets. And you can pay and transfer with the tap of a app. Simple, people. Simple. What are you waiting for? Give the middle finger to your bank. Give it. They're not helping you. Do you what? Do you know your bank manager? No. All right. Now, let's see what type of earnings can you get with Celsius. Whew. Let's have a look. Now, these are the assets that you can store in your wallet via the Celsius platform. Yeah? Ethereum, you're getting between 5 and 6%. Celsius token, 4%. Bitcoin, between 4 and 6%. Yeah? You get the highest rate if you hold Celsius token in your wallet. That's where you're getting the high rates compared to the lower rate. Yeah? Right, SNX, 16 to 21%, people. 16 to 21%. I've done a video yesterday on SNX. I mentioned it in my video. 16%. Oh, mate. What are you doing? What are you waiting for, people? Why are you having your money stored up in the bank? Matic, 16 to 21% again. Tether, stablecoin, 10 to 13%. USD coin, 10 to 13. All these are stable coins, yeah? Tether, USD, Binance, True CAD, True AUD, that's Australian dollar, Canadian, HKD, I'm not sure what that stands for, but it's another stable coin. GBP, well, we know what that stands for. I'm in Great Britain, isn't it? So-called great, but you know, that's a here or there. Right, that's another stable coin. DAI, that's a decentralized stable coin. True USD, another stable coin. Gemini dollar, another stable coin. Pure stable coins on there, you know, but you know, you're getting between 10 and 13%. I don't think your bank's giving that on your dollars or your pounds or your yen or whatever. Paxos, another stable coin. Compound, between 7 and 9%. UMA, between 7 and 9. Paxos Gold, between 5 and 7%. Uniswap, between 4 and 5%. Zcash, between 3 and 5. Bitcoin Cash, between 4 and 5. EOS, between 4 and 5. Chainlink, between 4 and 5. Litecoin, between 5 and 6. Dash, between 5 and 7. People, right, I can go on, but I'm not. That's it there. Stop procrastinating and go and make some passive income. Why do you think I'm doing this channel? I'm doing this channel for you. So you can be in the know. Instead of, don't be a late laggard 10 years down the line when NASA tells you to download a digital wallet to put, you know, digital British pounds in your wallet because paper money is gone. Don't be a late comer to the party. Be ahead of time. Be ahead of the crowd. That's why you're listening to E for9 TV. Right. Enough of that. Enough of shilling Celsius. Let's get into the video today. It's all about Ethereum, people. It's all about Ethereum. If you didn't know, that's why BFAM named the channel E for9 TV. Why? Because I'm so bullish on Ethereum. For those who don't know, Ethereum is a blockchain. Smart contract blockchain. Yeah? It has smart contracts. We'll get into that on another occasion. If you want to know what smart contracts is, go and tap it up on Google. You've got the best device in your hand all the time. If you want to find out any answers that I haven't gone over, you've got the answer in your hand, in the palm of your hand. If you didn't realize, we live in the 21st century, the so-called information age. You can acquire information at the tap of a button. For those who don't know, right? If you didn't know, yeah, well, you can do that, people. You can do that. You can find your way out of this crazy maze by seeking the answers. And you have the ultimate tool. Most of you, if you have a smartphone, you got the ultimate tool in your hand. Come on, people. Come on. I know some of you across the world ain't got a smartphone. One day you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it by the help of Ether9 TV. I'm gonna help you get this money so you can buy yourself a smartphone. Because you got to remember, I'm talking to everybody across the planet. You know, I could be talking to people in South America, Poland, wherever. Anyway, Ethereum. What can I say, people? If you haven't bought Ethereum, what are you waiting for? Serious, man. Why are you listening to this channel? You're wasting your time. If you've been listening to this channel since August, right, and you haven't got no Ethereum or Bitcoin in your portfolio, ask yourself why, and you're still listening to this channel. Is it because you're still doing research? If that is the case, fine and dandy. But let me give you a heads up. When I started doing my research into Bitcoin and blockchain back in 2017 summertime, it took me up until around about June, July, up until November before I bought any Bitcoin. Don't make that mistake, please, because I could have bought Bitcoin for around $3,000 in summertime 2017, but instead I bought it for around $5,000 to $6,000. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say to you, put some skin in the game. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, you know, £100, £20, $20, whatever. But have a little bit of skin in the game while you're doing the research, so you don't miss any of the gains. Because I guarantee you, my people, we are heading there. But enough about Bitcoin. It's all about Ethereum. As you can see, this is a weekly chart on TradingView. TradingView.com for those people who don't know. For those who do, then you're all right. Right, this is a weekly chart. Every candlestick that you see, be it red or green, is a weekly candlestick. 7 days long. Okay? Right. Let's have a look. This down here, these green bars and red bars is the volume. The second one here is called a MACD, and this one here is called RSI. Right? If you want to look up the meaning, how they work, I suggest, as I said, you got the tool in your hand. Don't leave it all to be fam. I'm just giving you a heads up. Anyway, we can see from this weekly chart, we are looking absolutely scrumptious. Jeez. You got to understand, people, I've been buying Ethereum. I first started buying Ethereum at $300 back in 2017. And in the space of about 5 weeks, it went up to, boom, $1,400. That's right, $1,400. And I didn't sell some of it. In fact, I only sold a little bit. I didn't sell most of it. Right? But since then, I've been accumulating Ethereum since the 2-year bear market. As you can see, we went through a bear market. Look, down, all the way, all this here. Yeah? Can you handle the heat, people? Can you handle buying something at $300, seeing it go to $1,400 and holding that asset all the way down? Can you do that? If you can do that, then you got balls and flaps of steel. I'll tell you that right now. Anyway, so along the journey, as you can see, Ethereum has gone up and down. The last major downturn was back in March 2020, and a month before then, around about February 17th, we was at $248. A few weeks later, when COVID dropped, boom, everybody started selling gold, silver, Everybody started selling their assets. Whatever stock you had and you needed money, boom, people started selling. Why? Because that's what happens when there's a white swan event, not a black swan event. Get out of here with that crap. White swan event. Okay? Right? And it dropped. Ethereum dropped from around $250 all the way down to around $90, people. Yeah, and change. So if anybody had bought Ethereum around that stage and you still have it now, oh my gosh, you're rolling. You are absolutely rolling. You're on a roll. You're on a roll. And you see, when it goes past $1,400 and change, people, we are going there. You see how Bitcoin went past $20,000 and it just hit to 40,000? Okay, expect something similar out of Ethereum. So, my people, if you bought Ethereum anytime below, the $1,000 mark, you're nice, isn't it? You're nice. But even if you didn't, you're still early to the party. You're still early. Don't worry about it. You can still get into the game and get some savage return on your investment. That savage ROI. Okay? So, let's go back and take a look at the monthly. As you can see, the monthly, we're way past. It closed back in January 2018. We closed on the monthly candlestick at 10.96. We're way above that now. We got about 10 days still until the end of the month, right? So what I'm trying to say, people, is if this monthly candlestick closes anywhere above $1,880, right, or say $1,100, anywhere above that, if it closes there, people, we are going for the stars and beyond. Look at that MACD crossing. When you see this blue line cross the red line, we are on a move. It's crossed a long time, but we're really on the move, as you can see. So for all my investors out there, and I know some of you don't trade, you're not into the trading, and I get it, but learn to read charts. Because it happened to me when I got into the market. All I was looking at was the prices. I wasn't interested in no charts. I didn't have no time for that. Yeah? All I was looking on is this, the prices. Oh, yeah. Forget that. Go to TradingView or CoinCharts.pro or CoinCharts Pro, and any asset that you're looking at, please go to the chart of that asset and take a look at the chart in the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame, right? For those investors who want to invest over a period of time, because that's how you scale into a project, people. You see, when it hits rock bottom, these good assets, and they're just chilling. That's where you buy at the bottom, people. Sometimes, you got to wait a few years or a few months. But hey, what's a few years or a few months to gain like 10,000% on your money? Because as I said, if you bought Ethereum under $100, you've made 10x your money. Easy. Yeah? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right. So that's how you scale in. Every week you buy a little bit of Ethereum, you buy a bit of here, and then boom. Once it goes up like this, take out some profit, man. Take out some profit, because that's what it's all about. Don't watch these assets go up without taking any profit, because if you do that, you're gonna suffer this downtrend, and you're gonna be crying out your nuts, right? Or your ovaries. You're gonna be crying, yeah? So please, people, take out some profit. BFAM, I'm just trying to help you as best I can, because I'm trying to tell you the mistakes that I made. I didn't take enough profit back in 2017, 2018. I didn't take enough profit. I suffered the pain, people, pain. But I was willing to do that because I wanted to experience it to see what it's like. So I can come back and tell you, say, hey, people, it's okay. It's okay. Just be strong in these downturns. I mean, let's go to Bybit right now. I'm in a trade right now with Ethereum. Right? I'm on a long. Heads up, people. Do not short in a bull market. Don't do no shorts in the bull market because you can, not unless you really know what you're doing, right? Because the probability you're gonna lose is high. Just long in a bear market. Sorry, long in a bull market, right? Long it. Now, as you can see, I'm in Bybit right now. This is a leveraged trading platform for all my professional traders out there. Also for you newbies out there who's learning how to trade. You can sign up on this platform and you can trade Bitcoin. Let's see, have a look. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's have a look. One second. Let's remind me. Come on, where are you? Here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, XRP in US dollars. Sorry, yeah. Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, XRP. If you're trading those on the inverse perpetual, you will get paid in the asset, not the US dollar. If you are trading Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Link, Litecoin and XTR Tezos on the USD perpetual, then you get paid in dollars, not the asset of it. Okay, not the asset that you're trading with, just in dollars. Me personally, I use the inverse perpetual because I want to accumulate enough Bitcoin, stack my Satoshis, and I want to stack some GUE. So that's why I trade mainly Ethereum and Bitcoin on Bybit to increase my bags of GUE, my bags of Satoshis, right? You need the GUE. How you going to escape Babylon, right? How you going to escape Londinium if you live in Londinium, right? How you going to escape this country, right, if you ain't got no gas? If you ain't got no them high level gas, the 9 ether gas. You feel what I'm talking about, people, right? All right. Go where? We need that gas to go where? Anyway, as you can see, I'm in a long. Right now, I'm down 17%, $132. I've just got back just over half an ETH that I'm trading with, and I've got a 2x. I'm on 2x leverage. Right, 2x leverage, people. Just keeping it small, keeping it slim and trim. Right, not high risk. Right, I haven't put no stop loss. I haven't put no take profit. I'm naked. It's called naked trade. I'm naked, people. I am butt naked with this trade. Going all in. Right? My liquidation price is $947. That's right. $447. I'm willing to take that risk. That's why there's no stop loss. I'm going in naked. If it drops at $947, people, I lose all my money. But I'm willing to do that. Why? Because I already made this ETH trading with previous assets. Okay? That's how I do my thing. Right? Any profits, stick it onto Bybit, make some more profit, stick some of that profit into my wallet and chill. Stack it up, people. Stack it up. So all those people who want to learn how to do it, sign up with Bybit. They've got a teaching tutorial on there. They've got a dummy platform where you can play around, pretend that you're trading with fake money. But really and truly, people, it's better to play with real money so you know how it feels, the emotions of it, the ups and downs of it. Right? It's better to do that, from my point of view anyway. Okay? Right. So that's Ethereum. We are touching all-time high soon, people. I mean, we was there yesterday, but we've pulled back a bit. So right now, it looks like we might be, going back up again. Might be going back up again, people. Right. So that's Ethereum. Stack your Ethereum, whatever you do, people, because as I said, this year is your year. It's your year, people. You're going to make some serious gains this year if you play your cards right. And if things go how they went in the past with these market cycles, it's a high possibility that 2022 will be a downturn in the market, right? It's a high possibility, but it's not guaranteed. So that's what I'm saying, people. This year is your chance to make some serious money, gain some assets, some digital assets for yourself before it goes down. Right? You still got a good while, yeah. Still got a good while to get some skin in the game. Right. What we're going to talk about also, we're going to talk about DeFi Pulse, because yesterday I done a video, the day before I done a video all about 5 coins that are in the DeFi sector of cryptocurrency, the decentralized sector of cryptocurrency, because that's what it's about, people. That's what this crypto blockchain is all about. It's all about decentralization. Okay, now DeFi Pulse Index. If you don't know what this is, you need to get to know. You need to get to know, people. Please, please, please. Personally, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion on the matter. Okay? That's it. That's it. Not financial advice at all. Right? DeFi Pulse, as you can see, this is CoinGecko. Let me show you something, 1 second, right? If I tap in DPI, come on, right? This is CoinMarketCap. This is another website where you can see all the coins and tokens within the cryptocurrency market. So I tap in DPI, return in the search bar, boom. DeFi Pulse Index, right? It's ranked 2377 according to CoinMarketCap. Volume 3 million, just over 3.5 million. It doesn't give the market cap. It doesn't give no total supply. It gives a total supply of 5,534. But that's about it. If you go to CoinGecko, we have a market cap of 54 million, trading volume 4 million and change, circulating supply 252,379, yeah, maximum, and that's the max. That's all the coins, all the tokens, should I say, because it runs on the Ethereum platform, as you can see. Let's have a look. Where does it tell you on this now? There we go. The contract address 0x Ethereum platform, people. Right. So all the tokens are out there in circulation. There's nothing more to put on in the market. Right? They're all in the circulating supply. The market cap is very low. 54 billion. Sorry, million. Right? Market cap. Very, very tiny. Very, 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 very tiny, people. Very tiny. If we scroll down, let's have a look. 28 September. Around mid-September, 14th September, it came out at $124. Dipped down to 62 and boom, $243 or $214 as of now, right? Now you might be saying, what's this DeFi Pulse? What does it do? What does it do? What benefit am I getting from this BFAM? Give me a chance. I'm coming. Right, let's go to the website. Sorry, my bad. Tags, DeFi Index, token sets, decentralized finance. That's what it comes under, yeah? As I said, it's all about DeFi. This cycle is all about DeFi, people. Gonna make you some crazy money. Crazy. Woo! I know you must be thinking, this guy is absolutely nuts. He's out of his mind. No, I'm just getting in my mind right now. Getting back into my 9 mind. Anyway, September the 9th, 2020. That was the inception date. Woo! 99. And if we scroll down, right, DeFi Pulse Index is let's have a look. One second. Right, DeFi Pulse Index consists of 10 different DeFi projects projects all rolled up into this one token. So you're getting exposure to DeFi projects that are in the system, in the ecosphere, without actually buying that token. Okay? So you're getting exposure to Aave, Synthetics Network, Uniswap, Maker, Yearn. These are all powerhouses in the DeFi space, people. Powerhouses. Compound, Ren. What else? Loopring, Kyber Network, Balancer. Okay? So you're getting exposure to all of these assets via DeFi Pulse Index. Right? Now, if we go to, let's have a look. Let's go to DeFi Pulse. Right, let's go to DeFi Pulse. Right, you see this value here, 23 billion. When this goes to 100 billion, people, DeFi Pulse Index will triple up. Do you hear me? That's right. This would be around about $1,000, give or take, once this is at 100 billion. Why? Because this DeFi thing is still in its early stages. We are so early, it's unreal. You think 100 billion is big money? No. Some chump change, people, in the bigger scheme of things. Chump change. Look at the market cap right now of cryptocurrency. 981 billion. Right? We're over a trillion the other day. We've dipped down a bit. Right? So, if you think 100 billion is big money, you better think again. Because the more money that gets locked up in DeFi, the more valuable DeFi Pulse token gets. That's right, people. The more bang you're going to get for your money. 100% guaranteed. That's how the game works. If you didn't know, well, you better get to know. Serious thing. So I suggest you do some research into DeFi Pulse and see if you want to add it into your portfolio. And at the same time, take a look at all the assets that DeFi Pulse covers. Do your heavy research into all of these assets, people. Dig deep. Go down that rabbit hole and dig deep. Pull out the positives and the negatives of the project. Pull it out, and make a decision, because it's all on you. This is a chance of your lifetime, people. We're in the right space at the right time. Okay? Definitely, 100%. If you don't know, well, B-Fam just told you, right? So, basically, it is a index of different assets, because you and I know that some people don't have the time, the patience to go and buy up the individual assets. No, some people ain't got time for that. They rather buy one thing that covers all or a few of the blue chips tokens within the DeFi space. That's what some people like, especially people who's got, heavy money bags. They ain't got time for that. No. They go to their hedge fund manager and say, yo, hook me up an index, yeah? I ain't got time. Just buy me an index of the best. Of the best of the best. Get me an index of it and make me some money. That's how they work, people. But me and you, we're more nimble. We can go into the nicks and crannies. We ain't got time for no hedge fund. We are the hedge fund manager. I am my own hedge fund manager. I manage my own stuff. Alright. Anyway. So I suggest you do some research into DeFi Pulse and the various assets that DeFi Pulse covers, people. Because as I said, it's giving you exposure to DeFi, which is going to be a behemoth in this cryptocurrency space. Think about it, people. As I said before, I'm just repeating myself all the time, but I have to get it in your heads. I have to. What do you think when the masses realize that they can make crazy interest, or 10 times the amount of interest in the DeFi space than what they get in their normal traditional markets? What happens? Do you think they're going to stay there? Really? Do you think these big guys with big money are going to stay there once they say they can put their money somewhere else and gain 10%, 20%? Think about it, people. We are ahead of the crowd. We are ahead of the money people on the planet, because the majority of them have not got into the cryptocurrency market. And if you're listening to this right now, you are only one of the whole ecosphere of crypto is about 2% of the population of the planet. 2%, people. So if you're hearing this right now, that's some privilege. That's some privilege, people. Because the majority of people on the planet don't know what DeFi is. They don't know what Ethereum is. They don't know what Defi Pulse is. They don't know. You know, though. And if you know, that gives you an advantage amongst others out here. And that's what it's about, people. If you don't know, you better get to know, because this is serious. I ain't joking. Okay. Right. To finish things off. In fact, let me just go back to the market first of all and see what's going on today, because today's the 20th of the 1st, 2021. Bitcoin has dipped a bit. In the last 24 hours, it's gone down 7%. Ethereum gone down 6%. But over the last 7 days, it's gone up 22%, you know. Right. Not bad. Not too shabby. Right. Who's green? Green, red, 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 green. Green, 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 red, red, red. Mainly red today, people. V-Chain, boom. Just over 3 cents. Come on, V-Chain. Come on. Come on. I got my bag ready, man. Stacked. The V-Chain. Stacked. All right. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Pure red, pure red, pure red. Bit of green, bit of green. Ren up 16%. I talked about Ren a few days ago, people. 2 days ago, to be exact. Could remain 16% of your money. You know how this market goes. Speed of darkness, baby. Speed of darkness. Right. Hedera hash graph, H-bar. Boom. 35% today, people. 35% today. Can you buy something in the stock market today and it goes up 35%? You get it now and again, but not regular, do you? Yeah. Over the week, 65%. Go H-bar. H-bar is doing it right now. Okay. Let's scroll down. I want to show you one more though, because I want to show you something, my people. Now look. Engine. We love Engine. Because why? I'm a gamer back in the day. Computer games, right? Not so much now and again with my son still. But Engine is a behemoth, is a beast. Beast! It's a beast in this blockchain game, in the gaming ecosphere of cryptocurrency. Last 7 days, it's gone up nearly 150%, people. 150%! Savage! Woo! Today, it's gone up 22%. Not too bad. But let's have a look at the chart of Engine, right? And let me show you something, people. In fact, before I do that, I want to show you something. For all you newbies, welcome to the channel, right? Now, to catch up, I done an Engine video around 2 months ago, right? There you go. Blockchain gaming will be huge. Engine coin, right? 2 months ago, people, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to Engine's chart, ENJ. Trading view, this is trading view. We tap in ENJ and we look for, we can either look for the Bitcoin pair. I'm not interested in that right now. Let's look for the US dollar pair, right? The USD, you can USDT. I usually look for USD, straight USD. You can do USDT, but the chart is not as long, right? Right. Let's go. This is a weekly chart. Oof, oh my gosh. Now look at this. The 30th of October 2017, Engine was at 1 cent, people. 1 cent. Did you hear me? I said 1 cent. If you bought engine there, you've made 42 times your money, people. 42x your money. 42 times your money. Oh man, come on people, man. You put a grand down, that's 42 grand. You feel me? 42 times. Jeez. You put 10 grand. You know what time it is, isn't it? That's what I'm talking about, people. Look. Do you think waiting or the whole of 2018, 19, and a bit of 20, do you think that's too long to make 42 times your money? Do you think that's too long? I tell you what's long, doing a 9 to 5 for 50, 60 years and getting a watch at the end of it. That's long. I tell you what's long, playing the lottery once a week for 40 years and winning jack squid. That's long. Right? That's long. I tell you what's long, saving your money in a bank account. We ain't giving you no interest. Yeah? That's long. This is not long, people, from 2017 November to now to make 42 times your money. That is not long. And right now we are approaching all-time highs. I think it's just popped. I think, in fact, it's just touching. Engine is about to blow, right? It's about to explode. When I done it 2 months back, let's have a look. 2 months back, say that's about November. Let's say November. Look, 13 cents, people. 13, 14 cents, give or take. Are you crapping me, people? Serious, man. Serious. This is a joke. You're 2 times your money. 200% your money. 200% your money. Go and ask your bank manager, can you give me 200% my money, please? When I put this money in the account, he's going to run you out of the place, man. 200%, people. That's just an engine coin. Oh, my. People, that's what I'm trying to say. The opportunity in this space is absolutely crazy. It's absolutely heinous. Heinous. I know I can go on. I know I can go on like Ari Stone. But I had to show you this, people. And don't forget, do not forget to take a look at these charts in the Bitcoin pair as well. So if your Bitcoin is up and you bought a coin and your Bitcoin Satoshi level is up, boom, you're nice, you're nice. In fact, the Satoshi level is still low on this ENJ/BTC. Look where we are, 1,240 Satoshis. We went up to 5,000 Satoshis. We're talking a 5x still. You still got 5 times your money to make in Satoshis, Bitcoin value. You put a grand down, you're going to make 5 times when it goes back up here. Oh, man, you put a whole Bitcoin in this, you're going to make 5 Bitcoin when it goes back up. When it goes back up here, you make 5 Bitcoin, people. 5 Bitcoin. Or, let's have a look on ENJ, Ethereum here. Right? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's get the measuring tool out and show you people what type of money you can get in this game. We're still low. We're still low. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, right, here we go. Right, price range. Okay, here we go. We're gonna measure it from 33,000 GUE because this is Ethereum pair, right? So take the tool and zoom. If you buy now, you put 1 ETH on this, you're going to make 3 times your ETH, 382% once it goes back up here, people. I'm telling you, it will. 1 ETH will turn into 3 ETH, 4 ETH. That's how you increase your Ethereum. That's how you increase your Bitcoin, by using these other coins and tokens in the market to increase your bags of Gwe, to increase your bags of Satoshis. That's what it's all about. Be smart, people. Be smart. Please. Right. Savage. Love it. Anyway, that's engine. That's engine. Right. So it's mainly red in the market still, but as I said, if you go to the Bitcoin pair or the Ethereum pair with many of these coins and tokens, you see that value has gone up. Right? So be aware of that, people. You have to be very aware, strategic in this game. If not, you're going to get blown up to smithereens. You got to Rex City, and you don't want to go to Rex City. So that's the video of today. But lastly, what I want to say, oh yeah, sorry, I didn't mention where you can buy DeFi Pulse from. You can go to Token Sets directly and buy it off the platform, right, with your Ether, or you can, let's have a look. One second. Let's see what other exchanges. Hotbit, I think, has it. DPI. Let's have a look. You can go to Uniswap, decentralized exchange. No KYC necessary. Yeah, so you don't have to give your ID and all that crap, people. Right? None of that. Right. Uniswap, Bilaxi, and also you can get it at Hotbit, which is another exchange that I use. I will see if I have an affiliate link for that, and I'll stick it in the description once I find it, people. Right? Let's have a look. 1 second. This is CoinGecko. Right. Yeah. Here we go. Hotbit, SushiSwap. That's another decentralized exchange. No KYC. You don't have to give no info. No ID. Decentralized. Download a MetaMask wallet on your browser. Boom. You're in the game. You're in the decentralized world now, people. Uniswap, decentralized. AEX, I'm not sure what that is. Haven't used it. Rare. Right. So, last of all, what I want to say is, for anybody that needs a bit of a helping hand to make their life easier in this investment and trading game, I suggest you go and check out Token Metrics. It's a great platform. It gives you it gives you an edge in the market, right? It gives you an edge in the market. It's a research tool that helps you with researching different coins and tokens in the ecosphere, and it works quite well. Go and do your research. If you want to sign up, there will be a link in the description of this video. Last of all, for all my people, right, especially my black people out there with the woolly hair, yeah, and the big afro, no matter where you are on the planet, right? First and foremost, this is for you. This is for you. For you. Secondly, anybody else of color or any other race, should I say, yeah, white, Chinese, whatever. If you're interested in some of these subjects, come on over, check it out, man. It's good stuff. Yeah, real good stuff. Right, but this is Malachi Z. York's books. Link in the description also, right? For those people who want to know more about the mind, right knowledge, our true roots. What is Nuwapu? Jesus found in Egypt. The Book of Light. Sacred Wisdom of Tahuti. Millennium Scroll, etc. I can go on. These are the many books that have been written by this great being. Okay? Now, some people may call me biased. That's cool, right? Don't get it twisted. There's many great people on the planet that's done wonderful things, written great books, yeah, sharing great knowledge with everybody, no matter where they're coming from. But this being here, the best that ever did it, people. That's right, I said it. He's the best that ever did it. If you don't know, you need to get to know. This is the creme de la creme. Because it's all about knowledge, people. And it's all about right knowledge. Because if you ain't got no right knowledge, then you must have wrong knowledge. And if you got wrong knowledge, then you ain't thinking right. And you need to be thinking right in this new day and time that we're in. Yeah? It's very important that you get your mind right. and many other things, right? And this being via his works, via his books, is helping people like myself and others become a better person. Full stop. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, right? So when you got a chance, check him out. Yeah, you may come across some negative information on him, but hey, you're gonna get people writing negative articles about this man here, right? You're gonna get it when people do good. You're gonna get people saying he's bad, he's evil, he's that. You're gonna get it. Dismiss those and just look at what this man has done. Check out his works. His works, people. His works. It's all about the works. And he's putting the work. And he's still doing it right now. Right? Still doing it. So, praises be. And in fact, let me tell you something. This man here, he's my spiritual master. That's right. He's my spiritual teacher. Right? Just like you have a sensei in Kung Fu. Yeah? You have a grandmaster. Well, he's my grandmaster. And others on the planet. He's our grandmaster. Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even be doing these videos right now for you guys. Yeah? I wouldn't be doing it for you. Why? Why? Because previously, I was a real selfish guy. Right? Real selfish. But this guy, this man, he taught me a different way. So right now, that's why I'm sharing it with you people. If you want to know, get to know. If you don't, it's okay. It's not for everybody. Just like trading is not for everybody. Just like investing is not for everybody. Just like washing a car, it ain't for everybody. It's okay. Don't get it twisted. Don't get into a hissy fit. It's all right. Chill. Just stack your Satoshis and stack your grit. Anyway, B fam, I gotta love you. I gotta leave you. But links will be in the description for all what I've talked about. Token metrics, Malachi Z York books, Celsius, Nexo, Binance, the whole full 9 yards, people. Come on, help me support the channel, man. Come on. If you want to sign up with these platforms, go to my links. If not, you can go direct to the website. I don't mind. It's all good. It's all gravy anyway. I get this money anyway, right? Peace and love.